Good morning, students. Welcome to Abhyas School. Last yesterday class going on. What is the reflected rays? That means rotation of mirrors. What are the reflected rays? What is the angle? And how many images formed in between two mirrors? This class discusses about problems on reflected rays. Problems on reflected rays and a number of images also. Okay, that means already discuss about a number of images. Number of images. That means if theta be the angle between two plane mirrors, the angle between two plane mirrors is theta, the number of images formed. That means if that means 360 by theta, 360 by theta. Problems on reflected rays. Problems on reflected rays. If theta is, that means theta is the angle between two mirrors. If 360 by theta is, if 360 by theta is odd, theta is odd, n is equal to number of images, that is also say, that means n is equal to 360 by theta. In case of, that means 360 by theta is even, the number of images, if 360 by theta is even, number of images, that means n is equal to 360 by theta minus 1. 360 by theta minus 1, that is the number of images. In case of, that means it is a fractional formation only for it means it is taken in integral part only. Okay, this example, if theta is equal to 40 degrees, then the number of images, that means 360 by theta. 360 by theta is equal to, that means 360 by theta value 40 degrees, 41s are 49s are. 9 is odd. Then number of images are n equal to 9. In case of, if theta is equal to 50 degrees, the number of images 360 by 50 degrees, 0 1s cancel, 5 7s are 35, that means 1.2, that is 7.2, that means it is a integral, that is the point formation. In case of fraction formation, consideration of integral part only, that means the number of images are only for 7. The number of images are only for 7. In case of, if theta is equal to 60 degrees, if theta is equal to 60 degrees, the number of images is equal to 360 by 60 degrees is equal to 0 1 cancel 6. That means 6 is a even number. That means number of images are 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. That is equal to 5. That means in case of if theta equal to 40, 360 by theta is odd, the number of images are same. In case of if theta equal to 50, the number of images are, that means 360 by 50 is the 7.2. It is consideration of only for integral part. The number of images are 7. In case of if theta equal to 60 degrees, the number of images are, that means 360 by 60 is equal to 6, is even number. That means number of images are reduced to 1. 6 minus 1 equal to 5. That is the number of images. In case of 30 degrees, if theta equal to 30 degrees, how many images form? How many images form? That means 360 by 30. 0 1 0 1 cancel. 3 1s are 3 12. 12 is even. 12 is even. That means number of images are 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1, that equal to 11. That equal to 11. In case of, that means it is a object is lies in unsymmetry. Symmetry means both sides are equal formation. Okay, that means it is a half of the part is both are equal formation is symmetry. In case of unsymmetry, that means it is both parts are not equal. Example, it is the object A, it is the half of the part, it is same as both sides. In case of M, it is half of the part, both are same. Okay, that is the symmetry formation. That is the symmetry formation. Unsymmetry means in case of that letter F, half of the part, that means it first half is different to second part. That is the unsymmetry. In case of if the object is lies unsymmetrical or symmetrical formation, how to form in, that is the number of images. In case of if the object is symmetrically on the angle of bisector of two mirrors, n equal to 360 by theta minus 1. In case of if the object lies in unsymmetrically, n equal to 360 by theta, that is the direct answer. Okay, that means in case of 90 degrees, if theta equal to 90 degrees, if theta equal to 90 means it is a 360 by 90, that means 0 0 cancel, 9 1s are 9 4s are 4 is even. 4 is even, that means the number of images are 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. That is the number of images are 3 formation. That is okay. That is the number of images formula. In case of if theta 360 by theta is odd, the number of images are 360 by theta value exact. In case of 360 by theta is even, the number of images are 360 by theta minus 1. In case of if theta equal to fraction, if theta equal to certain angle, that means the number of images in case of fraction part, consideration of only for integral part. Okay, that is the number of images formula. Okay, next one, images formed by the plane, a pair of mirrors placed perpendicular to each other or in case of parallel to each other. How many images formed? How many images formed? Listen, both mirrors are perpendicular to each other. That is the first mirror. That is the second mirror. Okay, the angle between two mirrors are 90 degrees. The angle between two mirrors are 90 degrees. How many images formed? Directly write it. 360 by theta equal to 90 degrees. That means 91s are 94s are 4 is even or odd. That means it is an even number. Number of images is equal to 4 minus 1, that equal to 3. that equal to forming 3 images. In case of parallel, that means it is the first mirror, it is the second mirror, okay. Case of placed in between the object, here also it is the object. How many images formed? That means these are in parallel, that means theta equal to 0. These are in parallel, that means theta equal to 0. That means the number of images, what is the formula? 360 by theta. 360 by 0, any by 0 means it is undefined, infinity. How many images formed? Infinity images formed. In case of they are in 2 parallel mirrors, they are in 2 parallel mirrors, the object is in between the mirrors. How many images formed? That is the infinity images. In case of it is the first object, that is the first mirror, that is the second mirror, it can form in, that is the first ray, it is the incident ray, it is the normal, it is the reflected ray, it is the incident, it is the reflected, it is the incident, it is the reflected. Number of images how to form in, that means it can both sides are exist. The RN, it is visible, the RN, it is invisible, it means it is an image, this is also image, this image is virtual images, that means it can form in infinity images formed. They are in between, the 2 mirrors are in parallel to each other, that means the object is inserted between these mirrors. How many images formed? That is infinity images. In case of 2 mirrors are arranged perpendicular to each other, how many images formed? That means forming number of images are, that means 360 by theta, theta equal to perpendicular, theta equal to 90 degrees, it is 4, that is even number, that means how many images formed? That is 3 images formed. Okay, next problem discuss. Next one, listen students. Here also, first one, when a plane mirror is rotated through an angle theta, the reflected ray rotates through an angle 2 theta. This is also, you know that, what is the size of the image, what is the angle of deviation? That means it is the first mirror, it is the first mirror, then that means the mirror rotates certain angle, the angle is theta, it is the point of incidence, the incident ray, it is the normal, okay, it is the normal, it is the reflected ray, that is the angle between incidence is I, this is also I. Why? That means the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of refraction, the angle of reflection, that means I is equal to I. In case of the angle rotates in angle theta formation, that means the reflected ray rotates to theta, that is okay. Here, what is the size of the image? It cannot depends on the size of the image, but that means the size of the image remains the same, but the size of the image remains the same. First question answer, but the size of the image remains same, there is no change, remains same, okay. That means it is independent on rotation of angle. It is the independent on, that is the angle of rotation of mirror. That is the size is same, but the size of the image is remains the same. Okay. Second one, what is the angle of deviation? That means it indicates it is the deviation. Okay, already deviation angle D is equal to deviation angle D is equal to 180 minus 2i. That means 180 minus 2i. That means 2 into incidence angle. 2 into incidence angle. That means 180 minus 2 into incident angle vary with the theta formation. That means I plus theta formation. 2 into I plus theta. That means it depends on incident angle and the angle of rotation. The angle of rotation of the mirror. The angle of rotation of the mirror. That is the deviation angle is 180 minus generally 2i. That means I means incidence angle. Here I can vary with that means it is the second normal. This is also theta. That is I plus theta. Here also same as I plus theta. That means it is 180 minus 2 into I plus theta formation. Okay, that is the deviation angle. Next, another one. Listen, students. Second one, two mirrors A and B are placed at right angles to each other. A ray of light is incident on mirror A at an angle of 25 degrees, falls on mirror B after reflection. What is the angle of reflection for the ray reflected from the mirror B? Okay, that means it is the two mirrors. They are arranged in perpendicular to each other. It is also 90 degrees perpendicular. Okay, these are two mirrors. Here also first one A, next second one B. These are arranged in perpendicular to each other. A ray light is incident. That means it is also incident at A. It is the incident ray. That is the angle of incidence is. That means angle of incidence means it is the normal. It is the normal. The angle of incidence is 25 degrees. 25 degrees. Then reflection on the mirror. That is the reflected ray on the mirror at B. At B. Here also this is the angle, the mirror B, that is the incident ray. Okay, that means it is also reflection. It is also from the normal. It is also normal. That is, it is 25 degrees. It is a form in right angle triangle. It is also 90 degrees. Okay, that is the angle of incidence is equal to, but angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That means I is equal to R equal to 25 degrees. Here also same as 25 degrees. What is the angle of reflection? That means what is the angle of reflection for the ray reflected from the mirror B? Here also it is the incident, it is the reflected ray. What is the angle to find out this angle? This is also x. Okay. Here also it is the right angle triangle. The sum of the angles in a triangle is that is equal to, it is incident angle is y, the reflected angle is x. That means it is the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. From figure ABC is a right angle triangle. That means the sum of the angles, first one 25 degrees plus 90 degrees plus y is equal to, sum of the angles is 180 degrees. To find y is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 25, 115. The transfer that side minus, here also 65 degrees is the y. That is the incident angle. That means that reflected ray, therefore angle y is equal to angle x, then that is also 65 degrees. That is also 65 degrees. It is also same as the value 65 degrees. Okay, that means it is, that is the angle of, the sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees. 25 plus 90 plus y, 25 plus 90 plus y is equal to 180. 25 plus 90, 115. The transfer that side negative. 180 minus 115 is equal to 65 degrees. That means it is the incident on mirror B. In case of, what is the reflection angle on mirror B? That is also 65. That is okay. The two mirrors A and B are placed at right angles to each other. A ray of light is incident on mirror A at an angle of 25 degrees, falls on mirror B. After reflection, what is the angle of reflection? That is the angle of reflection. That is also 65 degrees. Okay. Next, another one. Listen, student. Another one. With an object between those, if the angle between two plane mirrors is acute, the number of images formed will be, how many images formed? In case of the angle will be 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees, you can substitute these values in 360 by theta. In case of 360 by theta is even, then that means it is the number of images are 360 by theta minus 1. Here also 360 by theta is odd. Then the number of images are 360 by theta. Okay, the number of images. In case of, it is how many images formed in acute? Two plane mirrors is acute. The number of images formed. In case of first one, the two plane mirrors are arranged in 90 degrees. To find the first one, if theta equal to 90. Theta equal to 90 degrees, number of images. How many images formed? That means 360 by theta equal to 90 degrees. There is also 4. Here also number of images are. That means 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. In case of 4 is even. 4 is even. That means the number of images formed in only for 3. A, increase the angle. That means theta is increases. In case of theta will be increases means the numerical part. That means 360 by theta. Theta will be increases. The number of images will be decreases. Okay. The number of images is how many? That means when the angle is obtuse, the number of images are less than 3. Less than 3. In case of decrease the angle, that means that is the acute. That is the acute. When the angle is acute, the number of images becomes more than 3. That is the answer. Okay. Increase the angle. Increase the angle, that means that is angle is obtuse. Angle is obtuse. The number of images, less than less than 3. In case of decrease the angle, decrease the angle, that is angle is acute, angle is acute, the number of images, the number of images more than 3. More than 3. Here is not an exact value, that is acute, that means it is less than 90, obtuse, greater than 90. Okay, that means. Okay, it is how many images formed, that means acute, the number of images formed is more than 3, more than 3 images. Okay, next one, listen, find the R comma Ig, that is the glancing angle of incidence, next glancing angle of reflection, next deviation angle from the figure. Here also, that is the figure, here also 25 degrees is the incident angle, that means it is also high. Okay, next one, it is the reflection, it is the deviation, it is also D. Here also RZ, it is also R, it is also IC. Okay, that is the plane mirror. That means to find out, here also only for angle of incidence. Here angle of incidence I is equal to 25 degrees. But the plane mirror, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That means, but angle I is equal to angle of, that is equal to 25 degrees, are equal to 25 degrees. What is the Ig value? To find out, here also it is the normal, it is the reflected ray. That means 90 minus 25 is equal to, that means Ig plus 25, angle of incidence is equal to 90 degrees. Here also what is the Ig value? 90 minus 25, 65 degrees is the glancing angle of incidence. That is Ig value 65 degrees. That is also found in R. Here also Ig is equal to Rg. But Ig is equal to Rg. Then that is equal to 65 degrees. What is the D value? Deviation angle. Deviation angle D is equal to sum of the angles, that means R plus Rg. Sorry, that is angle of incidence, that is the D. D is equal to I plus R plus Rg is equal to D. That is that is equivalent to, angle of deviation is equal, D is equal to, that means only for deviation angle, this is the deviation angle, this is the deviation angle D. To find out I plus R plus Rg or D, directly write in I plus R plus D is equal to, deviation angle is equal to how much? I plus R plus D is equal to, it is equivalent to 180 degrees. D is equal to 180 minus 2I, that means here also 180 minus 2 into What is the I value? I 25 degrees. 25 to the 50. 180 minus 50 equal to 130 degrees. Here also 130 degrees. That is the angle of deviation. That is the angle of deviation. That means to find out I only. Incident angle I equal to 25 degrees. The remaining angles to calculate. First one R, IZ, RZ and D also. Here from the first law of reflection, that means I equal to R equal, I is equal to R, that equal to 25 degrees. IZ plus 25 equal to 90 degrees. IZ is equal to 65. IZ is equal to RZ, then that is also 65. Deviation angle B. I plus R plus D is equal to 180. That means D equal to 130 degrees. Okay. Next one. Here also next problem. Next, an object is situated at a distance of 10 meters in front of the mirror. It is moved to a distance of 4 meters towards the mirror. The final distance between the image and the object is. Here also it is the first. It is the mirror. Okay. It is the object. An object situated at a distance of 10 meters. Here also first one 10 meters distance. The image formed in also 10 meters. The image formed in also 10 meters. Okay. It is moved to a distance of 4 meters. It travel. That means it object traveling 4 meters. The remaining distance is 6 meters. It is also same. The object moves towards or away from the mirror. That means it is in opposite in direction. That means towards. It is also moves in 4 meters. It is also 6 meters. Okay. Find the distance between the image and the object. Here also it is the object. Final position in object in 6 meters from the mirror. That means image formed in also 6 meters behind the mirror. That means it is also the distance between these. The distance between the image and the object. 6 meters plus 6 meters is equal to 12 meters. Okay. Here also just that is the distance between image and the object is 12 meters. Okay. Listen students, same as question. An object is situated at a distance of 35 meters in front of the mirror. Here also it is the first mirror. It is the object. It is in 35 meters. A distance of 35 meters. It is moved to a distance of. Here also first it is the object. It is forming image. From forming image also 35 meters. Same as the object distance and image distance are same. Okay. Next, it is moved to a distance of 5 meters. Here also moved in object moved in 5 meters. The remaining distance is 30 meters. It is also same as traveling 5 meters towards. The remaining distance is 30 meters. What is the final distance between the image and the object? Here also it is the object. It is also image. 30 meters plus 30 meters is equal to 60 meters. That is the final distance between the image and the object is 60 meters. Okay, students. These are completely right in HW notes. Okay. Okay, students, today class is over. Okay, bye.